East Leagues is a club in the south side of Brisbane, established many years ago around the football club, essentially. Eventually we grew into a much larger club. We currently have a couple of restaurants, coffee shop, new sports bar, and then we've also got gaming, which makes up the club for us. The club is very much our home away from home. We've got members that's been part of the club for many years, and through those members, family members, relatives and children and so forth followed them, and so we're very much a family-based club. So we're predominantly in the NRL, but we've also got a very strong female NRL team that's come up recently. The juniors starts off ground level, and we've seen many of those players grow from a very intro level into becoming great, legends. I think it's very important to change the face of your club. Your community is forever changing. You know, we didn't tackle anything at the club without doing proper market research first. We added on to our sports bar. It used to be a lounge area with a stage and a dance floor. And we found that it might have been a bit of real estate that was underutilized. So we established a sports bar, and we increased the size of the sports bar by adding a patio, enclosed patio area. The sports bar has got a more rougher around the edge, and I say that a bit of tongue-in-cheek because we wanted to give it a sports bar feel. And as I said before, it's also to attract a younger market in there, where we wanted to create a sophistication within the lounge area. So the lounge area is very much set up for that cocktail that you have before having dinner, or that jazz or blues event that you can come to on a Sunday afternoon and really sit back. So the furniture requirements is more relaxed, it's more comfortable, it's more plush, and that was more what we were looking for, where the sports bar is more action driven and needed to suit that sort of environment.